Hello and welcome back. Just wanted to show you a little gameplay of the chicken hat. The way you get is if you go to options, you go to game settings, and you go to, well, it says chicken hat right there. It's hard to see it. So, top, press yes. Wait a minute, did I even enable it? There we go. And now I just have to wait till I die, so I don't want to wait till I die, so I'm just gonna throw a grenade.
What happened? Boss!
Now we just wait, and
Activation stealth assist.
we have the chicken hat. Let me just make it day so you guys can see it better.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
There we go.
Roger that. Good job.
Deactivation stealth assist.
There you guys have it. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Catch you later.